Welcome back to FAB Automotive Detailing. Got home from work tonight, got 2 orders in. I got one from Griot's Garage that I had ordered and an order from Shiney's Details. So we're gonna unbox these. I know what is in all these because I ordered them. I don't know if you guys like unboxing videos. If you don't, leave me a comment, let me know. If you do, leave a comment, let me know. I didn't get any liquid products from Shiney's. I just got some things that I needed to get for details that are coming up. And some new things from them I wanted to try that I have not tried yet. So here is my order. I don't want to show you guys my address because some people think that I don't pay for my Shiney's products. And right there, total $65.89 is what I paid for all this. First thing we got were these, what do they call these? They're swabs, detailing swabs. It's a 10-pack. These were only $1.99 for a 10-pack, which I thought was really cool. So I ordered 2 10-packs. So I should have 20 in here. Yes, there's probably 20 in here. I'm not gonna sit here and count. But I want them for like badging and stuff like that on paint. Grills or, you know, anything like that. This one right here I bought for the hoof, basically, but it's a glass polishing disc is what it is. And what do they call that? It has a rayon glass polishing disc. It's a 5-inch disc that goes on your polisher. I have a glass polish, so from Griot's Garage that I'll be using on that. I ordered 2 5.5-inch microfiber cutting pads. My 2 that I have from Griot's Garage are getting kind of wore out, so I thought I'd give these a shot. Never tried them before, so like they're pretty good. Like the packaging, just says Shiney's. Has their phone number and their website on there. And I ordered 2 2-inch microfiber cutting pads for my small polisher. Ordered a carpet brush for a tire brush because I heard this works really, really good on tires. So that's what I bought that for. It's like $5, I think. Pretty cheap, really good price. I ordered 2 jumbo tire shine applicators. I ordered a 5-pack because I love these. They're plush edgeless towels. These are absolutely amazing towels. And for $20 for 5 is just an absolutely great deal. We got next is Griot's Garage. I'll stand up for this one. It's a tall box. Tons of packing in Griot's Garage stuff. Oh, look at that. First thing is their Ergo Wave foam scrubber. I've always wanted one of these. It's good for paint, decontamination using like an iron remover. You can use this interior, exterior, doesn't matter. I've never had one in my hand. It's a little bit stiffer than I thought it would be, but they say it's perfectly safe for paint. Glass sealant. I've never bought that from them before. A couple sprayers. This is their, well, they sent me, okay, they messed up because I didn't order that. Foaming tire cleaner, I didn't order that. As you guys know, I didn't really care for that. This is what I wanted, their new foaming interior detail, not foaming, but interior detailer in an aerosol form because you're supposed to use less product that way. Hey, your arm's okay? This is for April. She uses this in the kitchen. She loves their citrus multi-surface cleaner in the kitchen. A bottle of spray-on, ooh, I almost spilled that. Bottle of spray-on car wash. I have a gallon of it. I don't know whatever happened to my old bottle. I must have thrown it away, so I bought another bottle of it. And this, since I didn't like this product, you guys, I told you I was gonna buy some of their rubber cleaner. So we'll be doing a video on that, see how well their rubber cleaner works on tires. Undercarriage spray. See how well this works versus Adam's undercarriage spray. We'll probably put them head to head. See how well it works. And a small bottle of their wheel cleaner. And the reason I bought this is I'm so tired of that big wheel cleaner bottle that I have. And let me see if I can find my receipt. As always, they send you a catalog. This must be their newest. I don't have this one. Let me see if I'm supposed to get foaming tire cleaner because I don't think I ordered it. Yeah, they messed up and put it in there, so I did not order that. It's not on here. But I did pay $84.86 because I bought all this stuff when they had their 20% off deal going on liquids. It's like only happens once or twice a year, 20% off liquids. So that is everything that I got, and I just wanted to show you guys an unboxing. Let me know if you guys like unboxing videos or not. And if you don't like them, then I won't do them anymore. If you do like them, I'll do them. So just let me know. Thank you for making it this far in the video. I know it wasn't a long video, but I wanted to make this announcement at the end of the video. For those of you that actually watch my videos all the way through to the end, you're gonna have a better chance at winning. I'm going to be doing a 2,500 subscriber giveaway, which is amazing to me, because when I hit 1,000, I said, well, my next giveaway won't be till 2,500. Well, that was only like 3 months ago or something like that. So absolutely mind-blowing, 4 months ago. Absolutely mind-blowing to me, you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now the giveaway, I don't know what's gonna be in the giveaway yet, but I'm gonna give myself 3 weeks to pile some stuff up for a giveaway. It's not gonna be as big as the 1,000, but it's gonna be a decent giveaway. I'm gonna try to put maybe some waxes and stuff like that in it. I'll be doing it April 20th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my live stream. There are a few rules if you want to win. The first rule is you must be present in the live stream. The second rule is you must be subscribed to my channel. So that means if you have your subscription set to private, make them public at least for the day of the giveaway. And then the third rule is you must leave a comment, because I'm gonna use a random comment picker. And in that comment, and this is part of the comment rule, you have to leave something about 2,500. That way I know you made it to the end of the video. So if it's a comment of congrats on hitting 2,500, or I have 2,500 marbles sitting at home, whatever, 2,500 has to be in it. Get creative. Make some comment about 2,500. It'd be awesome. That way I know that you guys saw this video to the end. I appreciate you guys. It's amazing to me we've hit 2,500 this fast. This channel just keeps growing daily. I watch it every single day. I'm gaining more and more subscribers, and the Fab family is growing. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Me and my wife love doing the live streams with you, and I love making the videos. I'm trying to make them shorter for you guys the best I can. I like to ramble as I'm rambling right this second. Once again, the rules are you must be subscribed, you must comment, you must be present in the live stream. That's the rules. You don't have to like the video. You can like the video. I'd like for you to like the video, but you don't have to, because that's not part of the rule. And we will pick a winner on April 20th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my live stream. And I hope to see all of you guys there. I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.